Jeremiah 30:17. For I will restore health to you and heal you of your wounds, says Taylor, because they called you an outcast, saying, This is Zion, no one seeks her. Psalm 147, verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Isaiah 53, verse 5. But he was wounded for our transgressions. He was bruised for our iniquities. The chastisement for our peace was upon him, and by his stripes we are healed. Exodus 15, verse 26. And said, If you diligently heed the voice of the Lord your God and do what is right in his sight, give ear to his commandments and keep all his statutes, I will put none of the diseases on you, which I have brought on the Egyptians. For I am the Lord who heals you. Jeremiah 17, verse 14. Heal me, O Lord, and I shall be healed. Save me, and I shall be saved, for you are my praise. Psalm 103, verses 2 through 3. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your diseases. James 5, verse 15. And the prayer of faith will save the sick, and the Lord will raise him up. And if he has committed sins, he will be forgiven. Isaiah 41, verse 10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. 3 John, verse 2. Beloved, I pray that you may prosper in all things and be in health, just as your soul prospers. Matthew 11, verse 12. Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Psalm 30, verse 2. O Lord my God, I cried out to you, and you healed me. Isaiah 40, verse 29. He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, he increases strength. Proverbs 4, verses 20 through 22. My son, give attention to my words. Incline your ear to my sayings. Do not let them depart from your eyes. Keep them in the midst of your heart. Psalm 34, verse 19. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him out of them all. Isaiah 57, verse 18. I have seen his ways, and will heal him. I will restore comforts unto him. Joel 2, verse 25. And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. Psalm 41, verse 3. The Lord will strengthen him upon the bed of languishing. Mark 5, verse 34. Thy faith hath made thee whole. Go in peace. Romans 8, verse 11. He shall also quicken your mortal bodies by his Spirit. Revelation 21 bears it. And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more pain.